In the tech industry, we're hearing a lot about Chat GPT. The buzz is out there about this great tool, millions of subscribers, and I've played with it a little bit. And then the first thing I thought was like, this is great AI, but how can I use this for small business marketing? As a marketing professional, I am always looking for tools to make things better, faster, easier for me, for my clients. And so with this new technology on the horizon that's getting updated all the time, I've decided to go on a journey of exploration of trying to figure out the best ways to use Chat GPT to market small businesses. So from content creation, market research, product development, cross-industry innovation, I'm going to look at all of these and figure out how it can help, what it's good at right now, and where I think it's going to go. So if you want to learn more about this and how it can help your small business, definitely come on this journey with me.